Imam Musa al-Kadhim alayhi salam is the 7th Shia Imam. His full name was Musa ibn Ja'far, and he is widely referred to as Bab al-Hawa'ij, which means the gateway of needs. And indeed, when we need to turn to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in times of difficulty, we should approach Him through the gateways that ensure the fulfillment of our needs. Imam al-Kadhim was known for his piety and knowledge from a very young age. His father, Imam As-Sadiq, many times tried to show this to the people, mainly to show where the knowledge of the household of the Prophet ﷺ was to be passed on, given the difficult political time for the Muslims, where many started deviating by either claiming imamate to themselves or by following different scholars after his demise. One example of his piety and closeness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in his very young age is shown when Abu Hanifa visited Imam As-Sadiq alayhi salam. He said to him, "I have seen your son Musa pray while the people were passing before him. He did not prevent them from that." Imam As-Sadiq, being able to answer, he ordered his son to be brought before him. When he stood there, he asked him, "O my son, Abu Hanifa says that you pray and the people pass before you." "Yes, my father," he replied. "The one to whom I pray is nearer to me than them. Allah the Great and Almighty says, we are nearer to Him than the jugular vein." Imam Musa al-Kadhim was known for his resemblance to his grandfather Rasulullah Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi in both his manners and actions. And just like his grandfathers, he used to always extend his arm to the poor. His treatment to the people and the constant proof of his knowledge through his words and actions made him very popular amongst the people. And this was seen as a great threat by the government, and hence Harun al-Rashid, the tyrant of the time, saw no choice but to imprison him. He was first sent to a prison in Basra, and they kept moving him from prison to prison while being brutally tortured and chained, as every prison he entered caused those around him to either become of his followers or become lenient with the Imam because of the immense amount of respect and piety he spread. The Imam stayed in this state until the tyrant threw him in his worst prisons in Baghdad under the guard of the filthiest of his men, and he stayed in that dungeon not knowing when the day would arrive and when it would depart. According to our narrations, he used to pray depending on the sound and the movement of the guards. One day, his companion Ali ibn Suwaid sent him a letter asking him about his health and the day that they will be blessed by seeing him again, to which he replied that "I shall meet you on the bridge of Baghdad." His followers were waiting impatiently, but Harun had planned to kill the Imam. So he ordered a Sindi to poison the Imam and then sent his body to the bridge of Baghdad, where his Shia would then receive his dead body chained. Yes, O believers, the Imam returned to his Lord, a martyr, poisoned, far from his family, and remained chained like a prisoner till his burial. فَإِنَّا لِلَّهِ وَإِنَّا إِلَيْهِ رَاجِعُونَ.